Okay. Hi there, everyone. We're going to break down Baladi rhythm, especially the accompanying kind of bass drum bell pattern that propels it along so nicely. It kind of sounds like this. Okay, so that's all achieved by breaking it into smaller chunks, really. If you imagine, we'll put some words along to that. Imagine we're going to say start, play, baladi, stop. Back to the 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 start, play, baladi, stop. Okay, so that gives you the shape, really. I know it's a little bit clunky, but it gives the feel, it gives you a mnemonic just to work off there. So the first kind of half of that, you're going to be playing start, play, both on the middle of your drum. Okay, the deep sound, this would be. Start, play, and then baladi is interesting because you're going to play baladi. Okay, bal and D on the high sound and baladi. Okay, on bell, bass, bell. Okay, so that half of the rhythm would sound like this. Start, play, baladi. Start, play, baladi. Start, play, baladi. Lovely. Okay, we're going to put the word stop on. Start, play, baladi, stop. Start, play, baladi, stop. Bass sound. Start, play, baladi, stop. Start, play, baladi, stop. Start, play, baladi, stop. Okay, and that leaves us only this last little joining on figure that takes us back round to the beginning of the cycle. Back to the. Okay, offbeats on the bell here. All right, and back to the, and it takes you straight back to the start. Okay, so really the kind of routine on this would be back to the start. Okay, and then we're off again. Okay, so have a listen to it very slowly. Start, play, baladi, stop. Back to the start. Okay, and then we're on to the next cycle. Start, play, baladi, stop. Back to the 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 start. Back to the start. 2, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4. Start, play, baladi, stop. Back to the 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 start, play, baladi, stop. Okay, practice that in your own time. It could take a while. Get the bit you can play, add the next bit on, just the next bit, okay? Don't keep getting stuck without having thought it through. Just think about the next bit and then the next bit and then cycle it round. It will work, it will stop working, it will work again. You have to just keep playing and, practice will make perfect. let's Kev will play that, and I'll play the kind of top line Dumbeck figure.